9 out of 10 car owners are quietly bleeding money on problems they could fix themselves in minutes. But here's the part that should make you pause. One simple trick could save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs you never needed to pay for. And the craziest thing, most of these solutions are hiding in your kitchen drawer or pantry right now. Before you hand over another chunk of cash to the shop, stick with me. I'm breaking down 15 genius car hacks that actually work, that mechanics rarely tell you about, and that you can do yourself today. Don't skip ahead, you might miss the one that saves you the biggest headache. Let's jump in. Hack number 15, cut apple for windshield. Imagine cruising down the highway when your windshield suddenly turns into a hazy mess. Bugs, road film, and grime smear across your view, and the wipers just make it worse. You reach for that pricey glass cleaner again, but what if a 50-cent apple could handle it better? Here's how it works. Cut a fresh apple in half and rub the juicy side directly across the glass in steady passes. The natural malic acid gently breaks down oily buildup and creates a hydrophobic surface. Water and debris beat up and slide right off, just like high-end ceramic coatings try to do. It's the same principle some factory processes use, but nobody puts it in the owner's manual. One apple beats most $15 chemical sprays, and it leaves 0 streaks. Skip the next professional windshield service that runs $15-30 and you've already paid for your next few apples. If that one surprised you, the next hack could stop a trip to the body shop cold. Hack number 14, toothpaste for car paint scratches. You walk up to your car and spot a fresh scratch on the door from some careless shopper. Your stomach drops thinking about the $75 $150 body shop quote. But here's the secret most detailers won't share. A tube of basic whitening toothpaste can erase light scratches for pocket change. Wash and dry the area first. Squeeze a small dab of toothpaste onto a soft cloth and work it into the scratch using small circular motions for 30-60 seconds. The mild abrasives polish down the raised edges so the mark blends in or disappears completely. Wipe it clean with a damp microfiber and admire your work. Now, this only works on shallow surface scratches. If your fingernail catches when you run it across, it's too deep time for a pro. But for those annoying parking lot badges, one $3 tube just saved you a bill that could buy a tank of gas. This next one might actually protect you from rust nightmares. Hack number 13, nail polish for broken car paint. That sharp ping on the highway from a kicked-up rock followed by the tiny chip on your hood. It looks harmless now, but leave it exposed and moisture sneaks in, starting rust that spreads like cancer. Suddenly your $5 fix turns into a $200+ repaint. Grab clear nail polish or a matching color if you can find it. Carefully dab it over the chip to seal the metal completely. Let it dry and you've created a tough barrier against water, salt, and road debris. Car guys have quietly used this for decades. It won't make the chip invisible, but it stops the real damage from starting. A bottle costs about $2 at any drugstore versus $50 $200 for professional touch-up. 30 seconds of work can protect hundreds in paint and bodywork. Hack number 12, WD-40 on door hinges. That loud squeak every time you open your door in a quiet parking lot, it's not just embarrassing, it's your car telling you something. Wearing out. Most people ignore it until the hinges seize or fail. Spray a short burst of WD-40 directly onto the hinges while slowly opening and closing the door a few times to work it in. Wipe off any excess. Do the same for your hood, trunk, and any other pivoting metal parts. The squeak vanishes instantly and you prevent expensive wear. One $6 can last forever and has dozens of other uses. Compare that to $100 $300 per door for new hinges. 5 minutes now could save you a weekend at the shop. Hack number 11, olive oil for dashboard shine. Your dash is faded, cracked, and dull from years of sun beating down on it. Those fancy dashboard sprays cost $10-15 and seem to wear off in days. Try this instead. Put a tiny drop quarter-sized of olive oil on a clean cloth and gently buff the entire dashboard in circles. Use very little, you're restoring moisture, not drowning it. Wipe away any residue with a dry cloth. The natural oils soak in, bringing back that deep, rich look while protecting against further UV damage. A $5 bottle lasts you a full year and you can cook with the rest. Way smarter than buying chemical sprays that mostly just mask problems. Hack number 10, paint brush or makeup brush for vents. Your air vents are probably disgusting, packed with dust, pollen, pet hair, and who knows what else. Regular cloths can't reach in there, so most people just ignore it and breathe recycled grime. Grab a soft, clean paintbrush or an old makeup brush. The bristles slip perfectly between the slats and pull out years of buildup with almost no effort. For sticky spots, lightly mist the brush with all-purpose cleaner. This same trick works wonders on dashboard buttons, around the gear selector, and every other tight crevice. $2 for a brush versus $150 for a full interior detail. Your lungs will thank you. Hey, real quick, if you're learning something here, smash that like button. It helps me keep bringing you these money-saving secrets. Thanks. Hack number 9, cleaning car interior with slime. Crumbs, coins, and mystery dust jammed into every tiny gap around your console and dash. Vacuum attachments and Q-tips only do so much. This is where kids' slime becomes your secret weapon. Press it into all those impossible crevices, the slightly sticky texture grabs every speck of dirt and pulls it out. Peel it away and you'll be amazed and slightly grossed out by what comes with it. You can buy specialized cleaning slime for $8-10 or make your own for a couple bucks. It's reusable until it gets too dirty. Detailers charge $150 for the same result. This is oddly satisfying and ridiculously effective. Hack number 8, Vaseline on door seals. Freezing morning, you yank the door handle and suddenly you hear that awful tearing sound. Your rubber seal just cracked. Replacement time, $100 $300 per door. Prevent it entirely by rubbing a thin layer of Vaseline or petroleum jelly along all your door, trunk, and hood seals every few months. It keeps the rubber supple, stops freezing, and prevents sticking. Wipe off excess so it doesn't transfer to clothes. $3 jar that lasts years versus hundreds in repairs. Takes 5 minutes twice a year. Hack number 7, changing your air filter. Weak airflow, musty smells when the AC kicks on. Your cabin air filter is begging for replacement. Most are behind the glove box or under the hood, held by simple clips. Check your manual for the exact spot, pop out the old one. Slide in the new, done in 5 minutes. Filters run $15.25 while shops charge $40.80 for the same job. Breathe cleaner air and keep your system efficient without paying for labor on a task a beginner can handle. Hack number 6, color-coded engine components. Pop the hood and it looks like spaghetti, hoses, reservoirs, wires everywhere. Put the wrong fluid in the wrong spot and you're looking at major engine damage. Fix the confusion with colored electrical tape. Blue for coolant, red for brake fluid, green for washer fluid, yellow for oil. Label clearly, take a photo and keep it on your phone. This system prevents expensive mistakes and makes it easy for anyone, spouse, teen, or mechanic, to help without guessing. $5 for tape that could save you thousands. Hack number 5, shoe organizer for storage. Kids turning the back seat into a rolling disaster zone, toys, snacks, and gear everywhere, rolling under seats and causing distraction while you drive. Hang a cheap over-the-seat shoe organizer on the back of the front seats. Each pocket becomes perfect storage for toys, bottles, wipes, books, whatever you need. Kids grab what they want without you reaching back. When it's messy, shake it out or toss it in the wash. $10 turns chaos into calm and keeps everything visible so you stop buying duplicates. Family road trips just got way less stressful. Hack number 4, pool noodle for garage wall protection. Tight garage or parking spot, you open the door and thud, another ding or paint transfer. Those add up fast. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and mount it on the wall at door handle height using strong tape or screws. Now your door meets soft foam instead of hard concrete. Use them on pillars or tight spots too. Bright color also helps you judge distance. $2 per noodle versus $75 $150 per dent repair. 10-minute install that pays for itself instantly. Hack number 3, tennis ball parking guide. Pulling into the garage, trying to stop at the perfect spot without hitting anything or leaving the door unable to close. Constantly getting out to check is annoying and risky. Hang a tennis ball from the ceiling on a string so it lightly taps your windshield when you're in the exact right position. Instant physical feedback works in any light, no fancy sensors needed. Customize for multiple cars if you want. $2 solution that eliminates guesswork and prevents expensive mistakes. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Hack number 2, hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Winter morning, key won't turn, you force it and snap. Broken key in the lock means a $150 300 locksmith visit in the cold. Squirt a little hand sanitizer on your key. The alcohol melts ice instantly because it freezes at around -100 degrees F. Insert and turn works on the keyhole too. Keep a small bottle on your keychain during cold months. Safer than hot water, leaves no damaging residue and costs almost nothing if you already carry it. A true winter lifesaver. Hack number 1, newspaper for removing registration stickers. Old registration sticker on your windshield that won't budge. Scraping with nails or razors risks scratches and leaves sticky mess. Soak newspaper in water, lay it over the sticker and let it sit 15 minutes. The moisture saturates the adhesive. Peel the paper away and the sticker usually comes right off cleanly. Repeat if needed. Works on bumper stickers and decals too, completely safe for glass and tint. Free or $2 versus $20.40 at a shop. Finish with dry newspaper for a streak-free shine. So which of these hacks did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one shocked you the most or which you're trying first. If this just saved you from some expensive shop visits, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got more mechanic hidden tricks coming that can easily save you thousands. Your wallet and your car will thank you. See you in the next one. Drive safe.